What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the Macintosh Plus, what the software looks like, how it works, and things you can do on it. So on the Macintosh, we have a scroll bar on the side, like any other computer. We have our minimize and maximize window. We have, this is the startup disk, so you can set up your Finder, image writer, all the old printers, all the other stuff from the 80s that they had connected to the Macs. And to close out, you just click on the top left, like any other computer, and you're out. You also have your trash in the corner here, if you trash stuff. And then these top menus you will use a lot to find commands, like on a current Mac. To eject your floppy disk, you press Command E. Clipboard, where's all your copied stuff is. Then this is how you shut down the computer once you eject your floppy disk. And then we also, in this section, have details about the Finder. As you can see, this one has Bruce Hornets Eve caps on here. You have an alarm clock with your time, which is not up to date. You have a calculator, and you can also use the keypad on here to calculate. You have a chooser, which is now locked since this floppy disk is locked. Your control panel, this is where you have all your settings, desktop pattern, double click, view speaker volume, RAM, cache, blah 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 blah, all your other stuff. You also get keycaps. This is to test out your keyboard. So I'm going to put in hello. And you can also click around. And boom. And I could also copy it from here, go into here, go to my clipboard, and it'll show up there. You also get a notepad, which is to just put your notes on. For me, it doesn't seem to be working. As you can see, the beep. So that notepad does not work for me. Then they also have a puzzle on here, which I did happen to figure out one time, if you look at my Instagram story. And you also get a scrapbook, put in any of your things you want to save from your applications you put in on a different floppy disk. These are just default ones. And you can also just click here to move around. And then to turn off, you just go to edit, eject, take out the floppy disk, and you shut down. And that's it for my video, and I hope you enjoyed.